Look. Time passes. Come closer now. Now behind the eyes and secrets of the dreamers in the streets rocked to sleep by the sea.
Isn't it a terrible thing? Thank God.
We must take our pajamas from the drawer marked pajamas.
Here's your arsenic, dear.
You wouldn't know he was in the house, Mrs. Ogmore Pritchard.
I want to gobble him up.
I wish you were not so educated.
It is spring, moonless night in the small town, starless and Bible black. You can hear the dew falling and the hushed town breathing. The processional, salt-slow, musical wind in Coronation Street and Cockle Row. It is the grass growing on Ferregib Hill, dewfall, starfall, the sleep of birds in Milkwood. Listen. Time passes. Come closer now. To begin at the beginning.